Priscilla. I'm a herbalist and I'm here to teach you the power of herbs, how it's the most ancient way of healing, and try to bring a little bit back into using them in our daily lives. My favorite part is to bring a little bit of conscious to people and what herbs can do for you and how they can transform your life and how they can heal you, and just to make them a little bit of conscious so they're more aware and they start using these herbs. And of course, once they start using the herbs, to see them healed and to see them feel much better with herbs. What do you want to improve? Do you want more energy? Would you like to relax more? Are you suffering from cramps or anything that you have? There's a herb for it. Find out and incorporate them in your daily life and give it time, and you will see the magic wonders that they will do for you.